के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे थे। ये राधे जन भजे शास्त्रे राधाएं वैदिक भक्ति वही तारे सर्वलोके गाएं। इस जीवों के साधक की पूर्वजनों की कोई ऐसे संस्कार नहीं है, किंतु सुकृति के बल पर सत्संग प्राप्ति हुआ है। और सत्संग में बैठ के संत महात्मा के महारविंद भक्ति के बारे में और विधि निषेध के बारे में जब श्रवण करते हैं।
So when the sadhak listen about do's and don'ts, and they have the desire that how can I attain bhakti, how can I do perform bhajan and sadhana, so which is mentioned in the scriptures. After wandering in 84 lakhs yonis, we got this human body. Why? Because so that we can perform bhajan of Bhagwan. That's why it is saying. So nobody knows that after how we have suffered in this 84 lakh yonis, and we got this human body for what? Just for performing bhajan of Bhagwan. Just because of this human body, by this human body we can perform, we can attain the Paramartha. We can use this body for Paramartha. When we hear this, when we hear the Harikatha from the bona fide Guru or Vaishnava, so we got so much pleasure in our heart. So what we need for performing bhajan and sadhana? Yesterday I told you about there are 64 limbs of bhakti you have to follow. What is the first stage or first in Adu Guru Padashya? In 64 limbs of bhakti, first is Adu Guru Padashya. In Hari Bhakti Vilas, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, or especially in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, there are 64 limbs of bhakti. It's elaborated there. Adu Guru Padashya first, then second, then Diksha, initiation, and after taking Diksha and Shiksha, all it has been mentioned. So the rules and regulations we are following accordingly. Until we will not follow the vidhi, the rules and regulations, we cannot make progress in bhakti. Shruti Smriti Pranadi Patastha. Who never follow the Shruti Smriti or Narad Panchrati Vidhi, and they think himself that I can enter into Ragmal and I can do perform bhajan and sadhana according my wish, according to myself only. So what they do, if they do bhajan and sadhana like that, so they will not get the profit. They will not get any kind of profit. This is just all useless. They will give the suffering to others and himself only. That's why in the scriptures it is mentioned that you should always follow the rules and regulations. The same way, when we trust, have the faith on the Guru or Vaishnava Vakya,
तब गुरु करुणा भी करते हैं,
when Guru
दीक्षा मंत्र भी
give the mercy and give the Diksha mantra, the person, the sadhak who is performing bhajan sadhana according to the rules and regulation.
वो अनुभव कर लेते हैं। इसलिए हमें विश्वनाथ के
That's why
जैन धर्म ग्रंथ में
in Jaiva Dharma,
भक्तिविनोद
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining
परीक्षा लोका नहीं था। भली भांति इस संसार की परीक्षा करके देखिए।
you should always test this word. You should realize this word. How find it? Is this is sorrowful or joyful? You should test yourself.
यदि दुखमय हो,
If it is sorrowful, then leave this, give up this sansar, give up this word. If it is joyful, then okay, whatever is happening, let it be. But actually, this sansar is very sorrowful. But first, test this word. If it is it dukhmay or
और इस
sukhmay?
संसार में मेरे अपना कौन है?
Who is all yours in this world? Is somebody, do you have it who is yours in this world?
एकमात्र गुरु और
Just
भगवान छोड़कर
apart from Guru or Bhagwan, there is no one else, love you. There is a Upakhyan used to tell our Gurudev, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to tell one Upakhyan regarding this.
हमारे त्रिदंडी महाराज जी इस कथा को जो है
Uh,
और भी elaborate थे।
my Tirandi Maharaj ji always used to speak this Upakhyan very dramatically. In Navadip Parikrama,
सब यात्री लोग जब
when all the passenger, all the yatri visitors got tired,
और उस समय
at that time
बोले त्रिदंडी महाराज को
Tirandi Maharaj used to speak.
बस
Then
उनकी गवाह की ध्वनि ऐसी था,
माइक जरूरत नहीं पड़ता।
माइक की जरूरत
his throat was too much high that there was no need of mic there.
नहीं। और
It was a
सभी
very
लोग
beautiful accent. They always used to speak very nice Harikatha there. Everybody used to listen.
हम देख रहे
Gaur
हैं
Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
महाराज के जब बोलने के देते थे
Then we used to give the mic to Tirandi Maharaj,
और उन्होंने ऐसे नाटकीय भंगी से ड्रामा के नाम
and when he spoke very dramatically.
और सब जो
So
सोए थे वो भी
whatever who was lying or sleeping, they always wake up.
बहुत सुंदर। उसके थोड़ी सी मैं बताता हूँ।
I'm just telling a little bit.
बाप उनके साथ में 24 परगना में गए, साल भिक्षा के समय
When we used to go for Viksha with him,
और जरूर इस कथा को सुना।
he used to tell this story always.
उस कथा को मैं तो नाटकीय भंगी में लिखा हूँ।
I will speak it very very simply.
एक विद्वान व्यक्ति
There was one scholar,
विद्वान व्यक्ति है, लिखे पढ़े हैं, मानव लॉयर है।
just like a lawyer, you can understand. Maybe he is liar.
हर रोज
Every day
संत महात्मा के पास जाते
he
थे,
used to go Sant Mahatma every day.
तो कथा जब सुनते थे, कथा में
When he used to Harikatha from Sant
एक दिन
Mahatma,
कथा प्रसंग में बोली, देखो इस संसार में
one day Sant Mahatma said that like, whatever you are seeing in this world, all are selfish. Or whoever you are seeing in this world is yours. They all are selfish. They all are.
सजनाथ को दोस्तु कहा जाता है, दासों में तो ये तुम्हारे केवल धन संपत्ति
They all are drinking your.
नहीं है। जब तक तुम्हारे
They
शरीर
all
में
will
बल
drink
है,
your
बोझ है,
blood all in this
खून
world.
है,
So whatever you have in this your body, you have your blood in your body. They will soak it.
पवित्र मानते हैं। किंतु देखो
But we think that they are my very dearest.
एक ही तुम्हारे मित्र है,
There is only one friend you have in this world, only Sadguru.
उनके मन में प्रकाश कर लगे। इसका मतलब हमारी पत्नी
So it means he was thinking, oh, my wife, my husband,
बेटी,
my daughter, my son,
ये हमारे
is are these not mine? Then he said, then the Sant Mahatma said,
आपने ये कथा पढ़ा, ये ठीक है।
okay, so that person said, Guruji, whatever you said, it's not
आपने
true.
कहा
You said,
कि आप ही एकमात्र जो है
you are the only one
हमारा
savior.
मित्र।
You are my friend.
और हमारी पत्नी
And my wife,
देखो हम घर में जब ऑफिस में काम करके जो आता है ना,
when I used to come back from office at home,
मेरे
my
शरीर से मेरा
my
कोट के उतार लेते, आने के
my
साथ ही
wife
साथ
used to take off my coat from my
ऐसे
body.
में मेरे पत्नी जो है मेरे पैर से जूता
She used to remove my shoes.
मुझे हवा करती,
She always blow fan me to me,
आने के पहले ही गरम गरम
and before
जब
coming,
बच्चे शब्द जपते हो, अनेक
she
प्रकार
gives me
के भोजन
many kinds of
सामग्री।
drinking or eating foods.
जब मैं भोजन करके बैठता हूँ,
When
मेरी
I used
पत्नी
to-
मुझे पंखा लेकर के
When I used to eat, so she always blow fan on me.
और ऐसे पत्नी का कार्य
And now, like this kind of patni, you are saying that she is not, this kind of wife you are saying she is not mine. She is not dear to me.
आता हूँ,
And when I came to you,
एक घंटे बैठता हूँ,
when I sit
जाने
1
के
hour
समय
to
कोई
you,
प्रसाद दिए दिया तो नहीं तो नहीं।
sometimes you give me prasad or sometimes you don't give me prasad.
जब आरती समाप्त हो जाए,
After
पुजारी
aarti,
थोड़ी वो क्या देते हैं?
Mishri,
अरे मिश्री और
Chironji,
हाँ?
Mukunda,
इलायची दाल।
इलायची दाल,
यही तो
हमारे यहाँ पे
है।
चिरौंजी बोलते हैं उसको.
और आप कहते हैं आप ही जो है मेरा सब कुछ
So that Hari,
है। उल्टी कर दिया।
so that Guru, the person said, okay, you are saying that nobody is mine in this world, and then okay, then
बोले ठीक है, एक काम
then
करो,
sent me
मैं
person that I just promise you one word. I tell you one thing.
तुम्हें वास्तव रूप में प्रेम प्रति करते
Who
हो।
loves you, in fact,
बोले महाराज
actually who loves you.
यदि मेरी पत्नी से आप अधिक प्यार करते हैं,
And then person said, if you love me more than my wife, then I promise you I will leave everything and come to
आपके
you.
चरण में
I will take shelter in your feet.
सब कुछ आपकी सेवा।
I will serve you all the whole life.
संत महात्मा एक
Sant
बड़ी
Mahatma said,
ठीक है,
okay,
एक काम करो,
okay, do one thing.
एक तुमको मंत्र देता
I
हूं।
am just giving you
क्या
one
देता हूं?
mantra.
देखो इस मंत्र की फल ऐसे होगा,
So this is the fruit of this mantra.
सुनते रहो।
You will hear everything.
बात हमारी परिवार की जो कुछ बोलेगा,
Whatever your everybody is saying, you can only listen. Your eyes will be open. You will see,
देखो तुम्हारे ये हाथ और पैर बिल्कुल
but your bodies will be straight. Your heart.
पड़ जाएगा
अकड़ जाएगा।
तुम सुनोगे तो बोल नहीं पाओगे
कोई ऐसे
So your hand and feet will be straight. You cannot do anything.
फिर एक काम करो,
It will be like that body.
प्रसाद खा करके
Okay, go to the home
शरीर अपने बिस्तर पर लेट जाना।
and sit on your bed and lay down on your bed and
हाथ और पैर के ऐसे
okay, and always straight your hand and legs,
भाई देखो क्या कि उस दिन हो गए
sitting in the dead body posture. So what he did,
और पत्नी
he went to home and the wife did so much paid love and respect to him,
और प्रसाद खा करके
and he ate prasad.
अपने
And then what he did, at last he went to bed and he did his hand like very straight,
आंख ऐसे ऊपर नीचे
and he opened his eyes and he was
उल्टा हो गया।
and his eyes was fully open.
इधर थोड़ी बाद में पत्नी घर में आई,
And after some time the wife came and she got feared, oh afraid. Patidev. She was crying, what happened to you?
जोर से
And she was crying too much loudly
आंख पलट गया,
because she saw that the eyes was open, fully open. She thought everybody came in the house of that man, and they called the doctor. Doctor came. Then he saw the pulse, and he said that there is no pulse. Maybe he has died. He got heart attack.
अरे आ गया भाई, सब लोग जैसे जैसे समझ में आए उससे
So everybody who has this kind of relation, they were crying, or who has a relationship with them person, so they all were crying. Everybody started crying. Then wife said, I will be dead too. Hi.
पति बिना कैसे नहीं,
How will I survive without my husband? I am widow now.
मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे
I have just 2 kids who will brought up my child. I will sacrifice myself. As the lady crying usually.
मर जाने के पति
After dying, Patni usually cries, so she was crying like that.
तो सारे अपने जीवन कहानी
She was telling all the story while crying. She was telling her whole story. Here wife or cries or not.
भाई देखो हाय हाय हाय
and she was doing ha 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 ha, ha, my pati got died. And she was telling her whole story by very beautifully in the swar.
इतने समय किसने कहा तू घोड़ी एक काम कर
And one person said that he used to go to listen Harikatha to one Sant Mahatma.
संत महात्मा के पास जाओ
So please go to him. Maybe he can do something. He has some like jadi booty so that he can make the life of that person. He can give the life to that person.
संत महात्मा गुरु के पास गए
And person goes to Sant Mahatma and said, Maharaj,
आपके जो शिष्य थे
अगर your sister is his dead now, please give him some pran.
संत महात्मा बोले
Sant Mahatma said, it's very nice.
मैं मंत्र
I will give him some mantra. That husband, Pati was listening and hearing everything. He was listening, hearing everything and watching everything. Then Sant Mahatma said, do one thing. I will give one mantra and it will be work when he will die. So the person who has died will not come back. Okay, so what you have to do, my mantra will work when the person has died. So they need one person so that he can come back. So you have to send one Atma from your home and then he will come back. What it means? One has to die. So one has to sacrifice his life. Then I will send the Atma of that person in there and that soul will come here. So first he asked for the old old parents, that I have brought up my child like a child. It is now my duty. So I am just here to get some enjoyments. So though the old parents, old father and mother denied, and second they asked to the children that Mata Pita, that husband gave you so much life, now it's your duty to sacrifice your life for your father. Is it mentioned? So then the children said, little children said, it is mentioned in the scriptures that if somebody is died, then we have to give our life. No, he has died. So the person who has died, and the wife said, and at least they came to wife, and wife said, okay, whoever gone, so gone. So I don't want to sacrifice. I don't want to give my life to anyone. And the Sant Mahatma said, no problem. If nobody wants to give anybody life, so no problem, I will give my life. And everybody said, oh Maharaji. Okay, Maharaj, you have given your life very nice because nobody is from your backward or outward, so you can give your life very nice, because he used to come to you for listening Harikatha, because you don't have anybody in your family. So everybody has gone to the Parlok. Now you don't have anybody. Now you are alone. So who will cry for you? Nobody will cry for you. That's why, Maharaj, you are very paropari. Please give your life to him. Please sacrifice your life to him. Everybody was asking, Maharaj. Sant Mahatma said, what is true? Sant Mahatma, what kind of Sant Mahatma is he? Who always Sant Mahatma is like Parmitma, is just like a butter. Sant Mahatma heart is like butter. It's very soft. Sant Mahatma, so whatever you're saying, it's very true. The things you are telling to me, that's very good. Sant Mahatma, it's just like if he seems somebody very sorrowful, so his heart will be melted. I can give my life, but somebody has to come. But I tell you one thing. So you have his dead body inside. Please take out his body from the home. Then I will give my soul to him, and he will be get life. He will be alive. And everybody said, so everybody said, Sant Mahatma, that how we can take out from house, because his hand is like that. It is straight too much. Or they have just very short door. So how we can take out his body from the home? Then Sant Mahatma said, do one thing. Please cut this door so that you can take out the body. Patni said, the wife said, oh Sant Mahatma, he's just not a he's not a Sant
आगे
Mahatma.
आगे 3 दिन पहले
3 days before
बैंक से पैसा
we got the money from the bank.
2 लाख रुपया खर्च कर
We spent 2 lakh rupees and we make this door well decorated, and now we have broken it. No,
अरे मर गया मर गया
Arey, he has died, so let him die.
संत महात्मा जी उतना
If this Sant Mahatma is saying it's lying.
बाहर लेकर के आएंगे
If we take out the life, if I take this dead body should come out, so he will be die, or if he doesn't get the life, then all we will broke our door and we have to spend the money, that will be waste.
काम करो
Then wife said, do one thing,
क्या करो
cut his, cut his hand and leg, and then take out the body. Then the wife said to the person, please take the axe and cut his hand and feet. Our Maharaj used to speak like this. I cannot explain. And when he was speaking this story very seriously, he was very serious. And the wife said, she was not ready to cut the door. Then Sant Mahatma said, okay, I can sacrifice my life from here. And Sant Mahatma and put the hand on his chest, and he was hearing everything, he was just pretending to be die, and he just pretending to be mantra jap, and everybody was crying, and Patni said, hi, hi, hui, hui, hi, 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 everybody started crying, hi, hi, hui, hui, hui. Then Sant Mahatma said, you heard? Everybody is ready to sacrifice your life. Then he said, Maharaj, I got understand now. In this world, in fact, no one is mine who has love for you. So everybody is selfish. All are soaking, drinking your blood. In this time, this is mango time. You will get so much ripe mangoes. When it will be ripe, so if you will massage the mango, so whatever the pulpy there, it will be, and when you cut little bit, you will get all the pulp in your mouth, and you will throw the gotli, you will throw the seeds. So just like that, everybody soak your blood. Whatever you have the pulp in your heart, in your body, they will take out everything, and they will throw your body's mass. This is true. This is the realization subject. So this I am saying. And then what person did? He went with Gurudev. That's why it is saying, you test that word. This word is Dukhmaya or Sukhmaya. You should test yourself. Please test yourself. ठीक है ना? Then you will start bhajan. If you think that this is already sorrowful, there is no enjoyment in this world. Only Bhagavad Bhajan has enjoyment. This is what I mean to say. In fact, when you realize the world's happiness and sorrowness, then he will start in bhajan and sadhan. Actually, that's why it is saying in Chaitanya Charitamrita. I was speaking a katha. So when you get the shelter of Sadguru's feet, then you will start performing bhajan and sadhan. So in this life, what you have to do? Die. So what I have to do? I have to do and die after taking the shelter of Sadguru. This kind of desire you should have in your mind. And if you didn't take this oath, then again you have to be. Many people come and go. In my eyes, I have seen many people, and my Guru always seen as so many people came in and they went. There is nothing, lacking of coming people, and there is no lacking of going people. There are many came and many gone. Some are sitting here. Everybody has gone. Where? Nobody knows.
हम भी देखे कितने देखे पड़े विद्वान
There are many scholars
हैं,
came
बहुत तेजस्वी
who are very
मनस्वी
glory, who
तीक्ष्ण
have
बुद्धि
so much
वाले
glow, who have
कोई
so much
डॉक्टर थे
nice,
कोई लॉयर थे और
who
कोई
was so
देखे पड़े
wise,
बहुत ऐसे
who was so educated,
ये तो आज देखा कहाँ
but nobody knows where they are now.
है
That's why I'm saying,
विद्यार फल जन्म निश्चय कृष्ण पाद पद्म यदि चित्त वृत्ति विद्या के फल क्या है
what is the fruit of Vidya?
साविद्या तन
Sa Vidya
विद्यार
Tanmate Jaya.
फल जन्म निश्चय कृष्ण पाद पद्म यदि चित्त वृत्ति विद्या की वही फल
So
है
this is the fruit of Vidya, that you take the shelter of Bhagwan. We should always engage our mind in the Bhagwan.
आने वाले जानकारी की कमी
There is no lacking of coming and going people. That's why we should always firm faith that we will perform bhajan and
और
sadhana.
नहीं तो बात कुछ देर
Otherwise, you will stay sometimes, ha ha ho ho ho, and then you will leave. You will go.
ऐसे नहीं
No, it's not like that.
संकल्प करके हम
Take the oath that I will do bhajan and sadhana. I will perform bhajan.
इसे करना चाहते हैं यहाँ पर हम काम नहीं
What I'm saying here,
भगवत भजन ही हमारे मूल उद्देश्य है
this is the Bhagavad Bhajan is our almost topmost goal. So that's why we are following the rules and regulation, and we will do bhajan and sadhana according to Vedi and Vedi Bhakti.
ये भजन करते हैं
So while going on bhajan, keep on bhajan and sadhana, we will realize.
कथा को आगे हम बताते हैं
I'm describing this katha further. Yesterday I told you
जो प्रकार के
there are two kinds of bhakti, one Vedi Bhakti and Ragamika Bhakti.
ज्ञान भजे शास्त्रीय रागान विधि भक्ति बोली तारे सर्व शास्त्रीय पूर्व जन्म के असली संस्कार में
So according to we don't have so many kinds of previous life sanskar,
गुरु और भगवान की ऐसी कृपा से
so that I can get so just by the grace of Bhagwan and Guru we are coming this world to perform bhajan sadhana here.
भगवान प्रति कितने अनुराग हैं
So we don't have so much love or faith towards Bhagwan or Guru.
श्रवण करके
So that's why we should always listen the scriptures and we start bhajan. That is called Vidhi Marg. When we are following the scriptures and rules and regulation, that is called Vedi Bhakti, Vidhi Marg.
अनुशासन में भक्ति का
According to so whatever is mentioned in the scripture, whatever the rules is mentioned in the scriptures, we should follow according to them.
इसलिए उसके कार्य का शास्त्र अनुशासन में
Bhakti, that is called, it is Shastra Anushasanmay Bhakti.
भयपाती का भक्ति
Bhayapatika Bhakti,
है
as I told yesterday, just by the fearing of scriptures we are following, just like Ekadashi we are following. We used to follow Ekadashi. Why we follow?
एकादशी के दिन
Because on Ekadashi there are lots of sins stained grains.
इसलिए
That's why just fearing that we always observe Ekadashi. We shouldn't eat anna on Ekadashi, the grain,
भय से
just because of fear.
भयपाती का भक्ति
Bhayotpatika Bhakti, that's called Bhayotpatika Bhakti.
इस प्रकार विधि भक्ति के अनेक प्रकार नाम हमारे
There are many names of Vedi Bhakti. Our acharyas told us. I am going to explain further story, further katha. So however someone perform bhajan of Bhagwan, then gradually when Bhagwan will uplift him and make them progress.
विधि धर्माचारी भजे कृष्ण निचान निषिद्धाचार निषिद्ध पापाचारे तार कहु नहे मोहन ये भगवान के भजन
Who is performing bhajan sadhana of Bhagwan?
भक्ति करने से क्या होता है
What will happen when you do perform bhakti?
फल क्या है
What is the fruit of bhakti?
हृदय में कोई पाप करने के वासना तो नहीं
You will not get any kinds of activity like going to sin in your mind if you are doing one namahas.
अविद्या अस्मिता राग देश अभिनिवेश पाप पाप भी को यद्यपि पाप करने के वासना व्यक्ति
The desire of committing sin you will not get in your mind if you done a namahas. In Madhurya Kadamani it is mentioned Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti saying right here,
पाप करने के वासना व्यक्ति
you will not get the desire of committing sin, it will be destroyed. Why? Just because of one namahas.
निषिद्धाचार
That's why it is saying Nishitachar.
शास्त्र में निषेध क्या है
So it is those don't in scriptures, what is denied in
फिर
scriptures.
कहें
Then again saying Daivat
अकस्मात यदि कोई
coincidentally, according to your previous impression, you are committing any sin.
इसलिए कहा है, अज्ञान भाव है यदि पाप उपस्थित कृष्ण करे शुद्ध करे न कराए प्रायश्चित।
Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Sura is
ऐसे
saying,
भक्ति मार्ग में चलने
in this
वाले
bhakti marg,
व्यक्ति के तो
who are following the bhakti path, they will not commit any kind of sin. But if unknowingly, it's still unknowingly, if you have committed any sin, then
उसके लिए पाप की प्रायश्चित करने की
there is no need to prashit of papa, the sins.
शास्त्र में लिखा
It
है
is mentioned, there is no need to repentation. It is mentioned in the scripture that if you are following karma marg and if you are committing sins, then you have to observe so many vrata.
देखो जैसे श्रीमद् भागवत में जो
In Srimad Bhagavatam is mentioned Devarshi
उदात्त निराम कृष्ण नाम की प्रदान निर्मित है राजन सर्वात्मनाम जो शरण शरण बतो मुकुंद परिहित भगवान है।
in Srimad Bhagavatam,
हम लोग इस संसार में जन्म लेने
we have come to in this world,
पांच प्रकार के ऋण
we have 5 kinds of ऋण, debt in this world, in the 6 type of debt.
तो वो ऋण से हम कैसे मुक्त
So how we can get rid of this debt?
इसके पहले जब कर्म मार्ग की मतलब पूछा
So first we have to according to karma marg.
अध्यापानं ब्रह्मजगतं पितृजगतस्तु तर्पणं होमदैव बलीभूतौ निजगोतु अतीत पूजनम। जो देव
Devren, Rishi ऋण,
पितृ
Pitra ऋण, Bhut ऋण,
मनुष्य
Manushya ऋण.
ये समस्त ऋण
These all ऋण,
कर्म
how
मार्ग
we
में
can
विचार
purified all these ऋण, how we can
अध्यापानं
get rid of these kinds of sins, ऋण, sorry, debt.
यहाँ पर लिखते हैं ये देखो होम द्वारा देव जब
So by the home yajna we can get rid from dev ऋण. This is according to karma marg. We do havan and yajna. Om Indraya Swaha. Karma marga. Om Varunaya Swaha. In Bhakti Loka and Bhakti marg, but Bhakti Om Vishwasanaya. Om Sankaya Swaha. Into karma marg, Indra Adi Devtas, we have to please Indra Adi Devta. Swaha Swaha. They always do chant the name of Indra. So according to the karma, we have to follow the rules of revolution of karma. According to Havana Yajna, so we will get the rid of sin. And again, you go according to what is the duty of Brahman? Yajan, Adhyan, Adhyatman, Dan, Adik, Patikra. This is the 6 type of duties of Brahman. To study and make 2 people study. This is called Brahma Yajna, Rishi Yajna also. And after the Tarpan, after Shraddha Tarpan, whatever do for our forefathers, so we do Tarpan for them. That is called Pitru Shraddha, Pitru Tarpan. So for Bhut, now we can get rid from Rajrin by the serving of Atithi, the guest. If we pay some donation to them, just like Prime Minister is fund. So now people are paying some amount to the relief fund of Prime Minister, PPF. So we are making some donation there in Pradhan Mantri Rahat Kosh for relieving fund for Prime Minister. So according to your capacity, you can deposit some charity there. But you can see this rain, when occurring you again and again, you will commit sins. It will not be destroyed. First we do some punya, then we will do again papa. Good deed and bad deeds we always do again and again. Is there any person in this world who haven't commit any papa sins? Knowingly or unknowingly, we are committing sins. In Gita, Bhagavan is saying, what some people who said that we don't do any karma, they are mithyachari, they are telling lie. We take breath.
अच्छा, जब हम सांस लेते हैं
when we take breaths,
कितने कीड़े मकोड़े
there are
हमारे
many
शरीर में
kinds
आते
of
हैं?
insects go inside in our body. We
प्राणी
kill
हत्या
them.
हो जाता है, अब क्या होता है कि नहीं होता?
Unknowingly, we are killing so many insects.
रसोई बनाते हैं,
When we cook,
कितने कीड़े
how
मकोड़े
many
आके
कीड़े मकोड़े, how many insects we die, they burn.
खत्म हो जाता है।
So we commit
हम
sins
चलते हैं, आप लोग
when
कैसे
we
आए?
walk.
चल करके आए कि
We
नहीं?
commit so many.
ये तो आपको
We are
पता
coming
है
here
कि
for
कितने
walking.
कीड़े
So
मकोड़े
how many
मकोड़े
insects
आप
we have killed by our feet? We have killed so many ways. So we commit sins. It happens
कोई
usually.
जाता है, ऐसे कोई कहे मैं पाप नहीं
So
करता।
somebody is saying that I am not
ये
performing any
प्राणी
pap or
दूसरे प्राणी के
sins.
भोजन करके अपने उदरपूर्ति करते हैं।
Some people die someone and take the food of them.
ये प्राणी दूसरे प्राणी को
One jeev is
हत्या करके
jeev jivasya jeevanam. One jeev is
लोग कहते हैं ना, अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग गृहस्थ है, मांस मछली
one life
और
is another
खाते हैं।
life.
आप लोग कहते हैं प्राणी हत्या नहीं करते।
So somebody means that I don't die anything. So we are rational. We don't take lives anybody's.
मतलब करके जो
So
ये
please
चलते
tell me
हैं,
one thing.
क्या बोलते हैं इसका? लौकी का बेल चलता है ना?
तोरई होती
बिल्कुल इसमें मोटा मोटा
तोरई में होती है. There is kinds of whale. There is of whales who have plant who grows up like this, like a snake.
अच्छा, आलू आप खाते
So
हो?
we cut them and we are eating a potato too. Does it have life or not? It has life. So sometimes you put some potatoes, so you will get the ankur in that potato too.
खलबली पानी में डाल देते हो,
And when you put that potato in the boiling water, it is not suffered.
खलबली तेल में डाल देते हैं, आपका पेट
Some
में
people
मछली पकड़
some
लेती
people eat fishes and they put that fishes into the oil and deep fry that. So are they not? They are eating that, and we are saying they are committing sins.
है। अच्छा, कहते हैं लोग,
Yes, people says this.
इसको उत्तर क्या है?
So what is the reply of that?
भोजन तो सभी करते हैं,
Everybody is taking
फिर भी
food.
कहते हैं एक प्राणी दूसरे प्राणी को जो है हत्या करते हैं।
Jeev jivasya jeevanam. Jeev jivasya
जीवस्ती
jeevanam.
जीवन,
Jeev jivasya jeevanam.
एक जीव दूसरे जीव के भोजन करके
One jeev is depend on another jeev.
जीवन निर्वाह करते हैं।
Yes, it happens.
है? आप दुकानदारी करते हो,
You are doing shopkeeper. You are a shopkeeper. You are telling lie or not?
झूठ नहीं बोलते, आपकी दुकानदारी चली गई,
If you will not tell lie, that your shop will not run.
उसके पास सब खरीदार चले जाएंगे।
If you go to another person, then if you will not tell lie, if you will say something, then otherwise that person
जो दुकानदार है,
the customer will go another shop if you will not tell lie.
विशेष करके कपड़ा खरीदने
Especially the garment shop. If you go to the garment shop, the person who is selling garments, so they lie so much,
900 रुपया,
and they say I have bought it for 900 rupees and I am not getting any profit from you. So the customer said, okay, no, I will give 400 rupees. No, so 400 is too much.
825 रुपया,
Okay, give me 825 rupees. He said 900, and then they bargaining. So
कितना है? 800 रुपया।
okay, then they got it on 800 rupees.
हो सकते हो 400 रुपया खरीदा,
So nobody knows the own shopkeeper how many price he bought.
झूठ नहीं बोले,
So if shopkeeper will not lie, so his shop will not run. He will not get any kind of profit.
हरिश्चंद्र के भांति
Raja Harishchandra, he is not like Raja Harishchandra. If he will be like Raja Harishchandra, then his shop will be closed in one day. So that's why I'm saying sometimes we commit anyhow we society commits sins. Even if we have committed sins unknowingly in karma marg, you have to come this word again and again. But in the bhakti marg, it is saying in bhakti marg, if you have committed any kind of sins, then Bhagwan is saying in a very in Ekadash Skandha, Swam Bhagwan is saying himself, "Hey Uddhav, in this Bhakti Marg, if you are taking the path of Bhakti Marg, if you have committed any sins unknowingly, then what I will do, I will destroy all his sins. Then I will take him on my lap. There is no need to repentation, do any kind of repentation. There is no repentation in Bhakti Marg. Just by Bhagavad Nam, you can do everything. You can take, all sin will destroy by just Bhagavad Nam. There is no need for repentation. In Bhakti Marg, this is the difference in Bhakti Marg, Karma Marg. Karma Marg, if you commit sin in Karma Marg, then you have to punish it. You have to do repentation, and after that you will get that you have to suffer with that sin. But in Bhakti Marg, there is no repentation. If you have coincidentally you have commit any sins unknowingly, you have commit any sins unknowingly, so what Bhagwan do? They will destroy that himself. That's why it's saying there is no need for repentation in Bhakti Marga. No need. There is no kind of any arrangement in Bhakti Marga. Just by performing Nam Sadhan. That's why it is saying that if we commit sins, if we are performing Bhakti, Apra. So if we are performing that, we are doing Bhakti and we are performing and we are chanting the holy name and we commit sins, so no, there is no way. Then you have to suffer. But unknowingly if it is done, then Bhagwan will destroy that. So that is the difference between Karma and Bhakti Marg. Sometimes people say to Dashrath Maharaj, blame to Dashrath Maharaj that they throw the arrow of Shabdaban and Shravan Kumar. They killed the Shravan Kumar. Then what he do for? They repented. Hey Ram, Hey Ram, Hey Ram. He has to sacrifice his life. That's all. No, it is not. This rule is not allowing or for Dashrath Maharaj. He was just telling that story. He was just giving an example. Just because of that, we cannot blame for Bhagwan and Bhagwan Bhakt. That will be aparadh. Sometimes people say, Hari Bhagwan Krishna. He went to Dwarika Samapti. After the Hari Kalyan Samapti, he went to Pravas. And after that Pravas, he was sitting and he was lying under the tree. And some people were saying, and there was Lala Lava of Bhagwan's feet, and there as a Vyad came and he hit a arrow. And what happened? He just was thinking like that is a deer's head. And when that Vyad, that hunter hit that arrow, and that arrow hit on Bhagwan's feet, and Bhagwan left his body. It is mentioned somewhere in the temple. But it's not true. This is Maya Vichinda Leela in the Jalik Leelas. Why? In the Trita Yuga, and he hit Bali by hiding himself. That's why he got the karma. Because Bhagwan killed the Bali hiding himself. That's why that Bali came into the form of Vyad, hunter, and he killed Krishna. Is it true? No, it's not true. Hare Atma, if this body, nobody can kill. The fire cannot burn the souls. And Atma, Paramatma, somebody, the Paramatma will die by just hitting an arrow. No, this is the philosophy of mood people, the foolish man. Rochakatva Katha. This is called Rochakatva Katha. This kind of a story just to attract the people according to who was following Karma, that Bhagwan had to suffer. He got die by sin.
बुरी बुरी कर्म किया अब भगवान बोले,
Bhagwan did bad deeds, that's why he died.
है?
Oh, Bhagwan died?
इसी का
No,
जाता है अध्यात्मवाद कहा गया
that's called Adhyatmavad.
है, जो सत्य नहीं है,
It's not true.
केवल प्रतीति भान मात्र
It's just like reflection.
है। इस हमारे भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
That's why our Bhaktivinoda
भक्ति
Thakur
तत्व विवेक
in
में,
Bhakti Tattva Vivek
है, कहते हैं भगवान
is
की
saying
ये लीलाओं के
this
कुछ
is
लीलाओं कैसे
some
दिखाते
leelas
हैं,
Bhagwan,
है,
some leela Bhagwan perform like for avoiding someone,
है, दूसरे की वंचना
avoiding
करते
to
हैं।
others.
वो
He
सुनो,
performs this kind of
भाव
leela.
संपन्न व्यक्ति की
So
वंचना
the
करने
person
के
who has
लिए
demon kinds of mentality,
उसके प्रेम
they will be give up Bhagwan. And for getting the love of Bhakta and avoiding to the demons.
भक्ति तत्व विवेक
So
में
that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur explaining in Bhakti Tattva Vivek, Musak Leela and Mahishi Haran Leela.
लोगों के दिखाए। इस जगत में अधिक लोग कर्म मार्ग में चलते हैं।
And many people are performing karma in this world
कर्मियों के लिए रिझाने
for
के लिए,
attracting that karmis people.
उसके लिए करके आते हैं। फिर जब धीरे-धीरे जब
Bhagwan
समझ
performed
में
this kind of
आता है,
leela.
आत्मा के बारे में समझ में आ जाता है।
And some people then got to know about Anatma or Paramatma.
भगवान के बारे में
And
समझ में आ
Bhagwan,
जाता है, तो कहते हैं, अरे ये सब तो माया है।
then he said this is all just Maya.
है? ये सब तो विचार दिखाए।
These
इसलिए
all are
नहीं
views
हम-
we are
दशरथ
saying.
महाराज को ये नियम
So
लागू
if he
करते हैं।
thinks that Dashrath
फिर
Maharaj
दशरथ महाराज अज्ञान में
was just like an ordinary person,
और उस बेटा को
we will commit
मार दिया,
Samadhi.
उसके फलस्वरूप उनके भी
When that yes, Dashrath Maharaj killed Shravan
ये
Kumar,
कारण
so
नहीं
he has to die just for
है।
on the separation of Ram, Haram.
भगवान भक्ति के लिए
This is not implement on Bhagwan and Bhagwan Bhakta. This is just a Leela Matra only. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bhagwan Chakra Chakra Patyanam Bhavane
So, do you want service there?